Which of the following statements is true? The statements are given in the options and we have to choose the correct option. And here we have to know the values of sine, cos and tan from 0 to 90 degree. Now we recall it: sine, cos and tan values, and here we will take the theta, let it 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Now here if you will see sine 0 is 0, sine 30 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, and it is equal to root 3 by 2, and sine 90 is equal to 1. Similarly cos values: cos 0 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, again 1 by 2 and 0. And tan value if you will see, tan 0 is 0, 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, it is undefined, a large value. If you will see, from 0 to 9 degree sine increases and tan increases, whereas cosine value decreases. From 0 to 90 cos decreases. If you will see here, cos decreases from 1 to 0 and sine increases from 0 to 1. So now we can check the statements. First statement is sine 20 degree is greater than sine 70 degree. It is not true because for higher degrees sine will be more. That means sine 70 should be greater than sine 20 degree. Hence it is not true. Second option is sine 20 degree is greater than cos 20 degree. It is also not true because if you see between 0 to 30, sine 30 is equal to 0.5. You see sine 30 is equal to 0.5, whereas cos 30 will be equal to 1.732 by 2, that is equal to 0.866, like this. That means from 0 to 30 degree if you will see, then cos value is more than the sine value. That means here if you will see, cos 30 is greater than sine 30. So cos 20 obviously will be greater than sine 20. Hence it is not true. Third option is cos 20 degree should be greater than cos 70 degree. It is true because cosine value decreases when we will go from 0 to 0 degree to 90 degree. Hence option C is correct. And similarly option D will not hold good because tan 20 degree is less than tan 70 degree. So this option is also wrong because if you will go from 0 to 90 degree, tan value increases. Hence the option C is correct.